Philippine Air Force recently commissioned 16 units of Sikorsky S-70i Blackhawk for the Combat Utility Helicopter Acquisition Project Phase 3. Combat Utility Helicopter Acquisition Project aims to finally replace the Philippine Air Force's aging Bell UH-1D and UH-1H Huey helicopter and complementing its existing Bell 412EP combat utility helicopters. The Philippine Air Force's Combat Utility Helicopter Acquisition Project Phase 3 is part of Horizon 2 phase of the revised AFP modernization program with a contract worth $241.4 million. After seeing the importance of brand new combat utility helicopter in delivering vaccines and relief efforts to remote areas of the country, the Department of National Defense and the Philippine Air Force started a new acquisition of 32 units of Sikorsky S70i Blackhawk under the second list of Horizon 2 phase of the revised AFP modernization program, won by Sikorsky Aircraft Corporation through its Polish subsidiary PZL Mielec. The Combat Utility Helicopter Acquisition Project Phase 4 is worth 32 billion Philippine peso, with its first tranche of special allotment release order worth 1,600 million Philippine peso, or 5% of its total contract price, released last December 27, 2021. According to MaxDefense Philippines, Department of National Defense, Secretary Delfin Lorenzana confirmed on Tuesday, December 28, 2021 that the notice of award has been signed and released favoring Sikorsky Aircraft Corporation. MaxDefense Philippines added that the delivery of 32 units of Sikorsky S70i Blackhawk will be in 4 batches, starting from the year 2023 and completing it until 2026. The Philippine Air Force wanted to complete its need of procuring more than 70 units of Sikorsky S70i Blackhawk combat utility helicopter. End.